Welcome to Dumb Bros World and 3D printing. Yes, that's right. The Dumb Bros are entering the 3D printing world. If we can do it, you can do it. As you can see, I picked up a Prusa i3 Mark III's. I purchased the assembled version because, heck, I'm just not very good at putting things together, to be honest. Plus, I wanted to make sure it was done right. When they assemble it at the Prusa factory, they test print and calibrate the printer before they send it to you. So I've been pretty much printing straight out of the box without too many problems. Right now I'm working on my first major project for my wife, and we'll get into that in just a moment. Stay tuned. Okay. This is the base of a heart-shaped jewelry box, which I found on Thingiverse. My wife loved it, so I'm printing it. Here's the base, how it came out. She picked the colors. Came out pretty darn nice. That was the first piece of it I printed, and that took about 27 hours of actual print time. Oh, yeah. Next, I printed the lid. You notice the lid has a couple openings in it. It has some inserts that you print separate. This whole jewelry box will be put together in the end. But again, this lid took about 17 hours to print. My. Came out real nice. Next, this is the left insert, printed in a lilac type of purple. The other body was made out of perfect purple. It was an atomic filament, and it's a PLA. Again, this came out really nice. Next, this is the right insert. Beautiful. You can see the rosebuds and leaves. The detail is stunning. This will be inserted and hot glued into the right side of the lid. Okay, this is the box so far. It's not glued together yet. Just set it in the inserts. And I think you can see it looks gorgeous. The wife loves it. We still have to print a floor for inside that'll be wrapped in some type of velvet, and there's also some dividers, optional dividers, to either make it into 2 compartments or 4 compartments on the inside. That's all that's left to print, which I'm printing the box floor right now. So this is my first major project. So far I think it's coming out pretty darn good. This is the box floor that's being printed now. Following this will be the dividers. So this is a short intro video to let you know that Dumb Bros World is getting into the 3D printing world. We'll have a series of tutorials or reviews and how-tos and how not to, more than likely, on 3D printing. So stay tuned and follow this playlist. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later. Bye-bye.